Hello, I'm Diana and I'm from Lyceum 9. My project is about the extinction, ethical, ecological and scientific dimension of the problem. So scientists are trying to bring extinct species back to life. This process is called de-extinction. However, opinions differ. Some people believe we should focus on protecting endangered species, meanwhile others consider that as a beneficial scientific opportunity. Initially, the first issue that requires to be discussed is ecological balance. Currently, ecosystem has already adjusted to the absence of extinct animals. If new species appears out of nowhere in a certain territory, it might disturb relationship between the species that live there right now. This would probably lead to competition for food, significant resources, and territory. Second, not less important issue is the size and sustainability of the habitat. Modern environments might no longer be able to maintain animals that disappeared a long time ago. The various range of species might harm each other if they are forced to live in the same limited area. That could eventually lead to the death of both populations. One example of an extinct animal in Ukraine is Tarpan, a wildlife species that disappeared due to excessive hunting. If scientists try to revive it, we might face serious consequences. Tarpans eat grass, and if the population grows too large, the herbivores might not have enough food to survive in the future. This would create a new ecological problem instead of solving an old one. Therefore, scientists must take full responsibility for their action. If the extinction causes damage to people, animal, or environment, they must be ready to respond immediately. However, critics ignore this problem, so that means they do not care about consequences. Nowadays, many species are endangered and need our help. In my opinion, we should concentrate on protecting animals that exist today instead of striving to revive those that already disappeared a long time ago. Nature has already adjusted to these changes, so sudden interference may only cause further problems. We must protect what we have, rather than trying to rebuild what is already gone. Thanks for watching.